PRCOMB. The official website is prccomb.org.in. In today's session, we are going to represent you how to make a table. Suppose attractive table in Excel. Name, age, gender, roll number, etc. Now I want to make it a proper table. So what I have to do, the number of cell I want to include in the table, I select it under the home tab in this section particular. See there is a called format as table. So I click in the tick portion, and there you will find a light section, a medium section, and dark section. In the medium section, suppose I have taken this particular light options, and this thing will come which shows that whether if I want to enlarge my area, then automatically the formula will be changed. If I decrease the area, automatically the formula will. Now if keep it intact, if I clicked on OK, so this is becoming a glossy and attractive and looking very beautiful table. So in this way we can create a table in Excel. Thank you for being with us. We guys used to sell basic certificate course and also computer certificate course, different type of courses on works also on different type of maintenance work on computers. This is the certificate registered course, sell dry fruits and design management posters. Thank you for being with us. Call is 84208791. Email is transformer6@gmail.com. Thank you for being with us. Stay for more of this. Thank you.